Welcome to our video demonstration of the performance on a BMW 335 diesel. This particular one is the Shadow Edition version. It's got 310 brake horsepower. You'll see when we take the car for a drive that it really does accelerate very well, and that's down to the 465 pounds per foot of torque. It'll do 0 to 60 in a little over 4 seconds. So what we'll do now, we'll take the car out for a drive and I'll show you firsthand what it's capable of doing. Just briefly before we go out for a drive, I wanted to talk about one of the performance related enhancements you can make with this car, and it involves this button down here. So at the moment we are in what's called comfort mode, which is kind of the middle ground here, I suppose. You can change the car to sport mode, and in doing so it will show you up on here that you've changed it, and you can even go Sport Plus, which will is exactly the same as sport mode but will turn off the traction control. Now, for the purposes of this drive, we're not looking at breaking any land speed records or anything here. The idea of this is to show you how comfortable the power output is on this car. So I'm going to leave it in comfort mode. We're going to take the car for a drive now, and you'll see just how easy the acceleration is. Now, I'm going to drive the car relatively normally. At no point will I be putting my my foot to the floor. It'll be relatively gentle acceleration, but you'll see that in this car, gentle acceleration is still incredibly quick acceleration. So we're going to start off with a slow speed demonstration of about 10 miles an hour up to the speed limit here of 40. And there you go. Did it so easily, in probably all of about a second and a half, 2 seconds, but incredibly easily. Next, what we'll do is take the car on the motorway so I can show you what it does at motorway speed. Okay, so I'm going to keep the car at approximately kind of 25, 30 miles an hour. We're just rounding a corner, which will then take us onto a section of dual carriageway. And what we'll do now is accelerate up to kind of motorway speed. And again, I'm not going to accelerate hard. I just want to demonstrate how easy the acceleration is on this car. The last demonstration I want to show you is 50 to 70. Again, with a moderate amount of acceleration. It just does it with consummate